Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL, American Airline. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis over the past couple of days, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from here. And everything I've talked about still pertains, so I don't know if update's the right word, but the big point of confirmation remains up here at 1325, which is the red line here that I've talked about in several videos. And that remains the key level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching very, very closely. And I emphasize a whole lot of people because, as I've said in past videos, when lots of people are watching the same area, wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce very nice, dynamic movement. Meaning if the price can work its way up there and get the break of that level, guarantee no. Rational thoughts have absolutely, that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So keep a very close eye on 1325 moving forward. That's going to be one of those main areas of resistance. And yeah, you do have 1250 down here as support, which is represented by that green line. But the level of support that really stands out to me, and I want to get marked just to see if it ultimately does result in anything, but this uptrending trend line right here, and I'm going to change that to green to represent bullishness there, and we'll make it a little different color green. But the key dynamic here is that there's actually a nice little wedge that's forming. All the price has done over the past couple of days is bounce back and forth, bouncing back and forth, but you notice it's all forming within the wedge. Again, bullish pattern, yes. Unfortunately, trading is a little bit more difficult than just, oh, that's a bullish pattern, therefore the price is guaranteed to go up. Doesn't quite work like that. Again, it just goes back to, is it at least a rational thought to have? And it is. So people that are bullish, people are thinking, you know what, maybe this thing's getting set up for a break to the upside. That definitely makes sense. But if it is going to break, all eyes on 1325 moving forward. But like I said, interesting pattern, interesting setup heading into next week. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.